Hi and welcome to another vaping video, and today I am reviewing the Uwell Caliburn G4 Pro Koko. That is a long name. So this is it, the little pod kit, and this is the box. What you get in the box is a user manual, a little list of what pods you can put in it, and the other Uwell devices, and some spare pods, etc. So you get a 0.4 and a 0.9 with it, and this is the little pod kit itself. So it's small, but it's not tiny. It's got a nice weight to it. The Koko range of the Uwell Caliburns are this shape. Most of the Caliburns are the sort of stick vapes, and didn't want to go for that. This is actually my wife's. She wanted a simple vape kit with a decent battery. So this has a 2000 mAh battery, which is pretty big for a little pod kit. So let's have a quick look around it. You've got your USB-C. You've got this button here, which isn't a fire button. It is a self-draw device that unlocks the screen and turns the machine on, etc. But it's not a vape fire button. Airflow adjustment on the top. Your pod goes in there. There's a little lanyard hole there if you wanted to wear it around your neck. And on the back you've got a little viewing window to show your liquid. So that's about it. Let's pop a pod in, which is very easy to do. It's magnetically held in. Once you pop a pod in, the screen will light up. In terms of the screen, it is a full colour touchscreen vape kit, and so you light the screen up with that, the button on the side, and then you can swipe up to unlock the device, and you can swipe down to bring your menu up. On the menu you've got things like screen display, how long the device will stay lit up for, and then you've got things like languages, brightness, animations. This thing does come with various themes, so you can have it sort of play lovely animations while you're vaping. This is a nice idea, but all of these are a little bit of a novelty. They do impact on battery life. In terms of battery life, it does have a 2000 mAh battery, and they do boast that you can get up to 10 days on a single charge. Obviously that depends on what liquid you put in it, what wattage you're vaping at, and how much you vape. But for my wife, who is quite a heavy vaper, she wanted a simple piece of kit with a decent battery in it. So 2000 mAh is pretty good. I vape on Vaporesso kit, and I've already got 900 mAh in mine. Most of them sort of sit around the 1500 mAh mark. So 2000 mAh is a decent vape. So let's have a look. I'm going to vape on this and going to show you what it's like. So the airflow is set sort of in the middle. It's a mouth to lung device. You could do restricted lung on it, but you're not going to get any cloud chucking off this, and if you did, you're going to burn through liquid and your battery very quickly. So my wife is a mouth to lung vapor. In this pod here, which it just goes and holds in, we have a forest fruits from the Liquid company, a very nice tasty flavour. So let's see what it's like. So a mouth to lung device, but still has, well, the flavour is absolutely insane. I've tried this liquid in different tanks and different pod kits, and it's good, but this is, that flavour is insane. In terms of, well, cloud, you get quite a bit off that. But it's absolutely spot on. These are about £20, £25 to buy. You can buy them in various different colours. The pods, like I said, you get a 0.4 and a 0.9 in the box, but you can also buy 0.6s. It varies on what flavour you're going to get by how much wattage you use, and which are the coils you get. The 0.6s, the 0.4s and the 0.9s will all vape differently, but this is, I think, the 0.4 in here. And it's got a lovely hit. The flavour is insane. It's lovely and smooth. Airflow is in the middle, so it's got a nice, slightly medium draw. Absolutely a superb piece of kit. If you're looking for something simple to use, but not totally basic, if you want a screen and some, well, information, it's got battery indicator, it's got wattage indicator, it's got a few adjustable pieces on it, but yeah, the Uwell Caliburn G4 Pro Koko, a lovely piece of vape kit. Link, like, subscribe, enjoy.